Okay, now the PIP joint, to increase, very similar to the MCP joint, where we're going to work on increasing PIP flexion. We want to mobilize in a volar direction. So we will distract and feel the same thing. We'll distract. Feel the laxity of the joint, grade 1 distraction. Then we could do some oscillation. And now to increase flexion, we would take the middle phalanx, stabilizing the proximal phalanx, and glide volarly. This helps, Carl, increase flexion. Now to increase extension, you could distract and glide dorsally. Middle phalanx, dorsal glide on the proximal phalanx. And hold to help increase extension. Okay, thanks.